Okay, so I'm pointing out these parts of the heart. Again, this right here is the intraventricular sulcus. Okay, this right here is the apex. Okay, this intraventricular sulcus separates the right side of the heart from the left side of the heart. This right here. Okay, over here would be, this would be the auricle, the left auricle. Okay, and up here would be the right auricle. Let's open it up. Okay, here, okay, right here would be, this would be the right atrium. This would be the right, this would be the right ventricle. Okay, now what's not connected right there is up here would be the supravena cava. Okay, so the blood is going to come through the supravena cava, which you cannot see that right now, from the upper body, and the blood will flow down into the right atrium, and you will have an inferior vena cava right here that would also flow into the right atrium. Okay, so anyway, right atrium, right ventricle. Okay, if we look in here, these strings are attached. Those are the chordae in here. This is the tricuspid valve because it's connected. It has 3 cuspids connected to the papillary muscle. So this is the tricuspid valve. Again, right atrium, tricuspid valve, right ventricle, and then the blood would flow up into here, which is the pulmonary, this is the pulmonary trunk. Okay, and the blood will flow into the lungs so that the deoxygenated blood can get oxygenated into the lungs and then come over to this left side. Okay, and the blood. But now if it comes into the lungs, it will come through here, okay, to the pulmonary veins, okay, come to the pulmonary veins, into this left atrium, okay. Then you have, this is the bicuspid valve. It's going to prevent blood, it's going to open up to let the oxygenated blood to go from the left atrium to the left ventricle, and it's going to close once the blood is in, the oxygenated blood is in here, and it's going to pump. It's going to do a contraction. It's going to do a contraction like that, okay? And the blood is going to flow up, 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 up. And this would be a piece of the aorta, and the blood is going to be able to pump out to the rest of the body, the oxygenated blood. Okay, this is our septum, okay, our intraventricular septum, and this separates the right side from the left side, and it's also a muscle that's going to help contract this right ventricle so the blood can flow out into the aorta.